Hi guys, quick video today. I just picked up this Craftsman T100 riding mower, and it has this block off for the deck wash feature that has never been installed on here. So I got this guy from Amazon, which is the deck wash nozzle to keep the under the deck clean so you don't get rust, especially over the winter time. And then it's got this quick disconnect that attaches to your garden hose that allows you to just at the end of a mow, plug it in here, clean the deck real quick. I used to have a setup where I had a sprinkler. I would drive the mower over the sprinkler and it would shoot up, and occasionally it would lift off the ground and maybe nick a blade, or it was just a gigantic mess, frankly. So this is cool, but it doesn't come with this, which is kind of weird. This is like 12 bucks on Amazon. So I'm going to install it today. We've got the 3/8 ratchet, and we're just going to take this out and install this guy. Should just take a minute here. Alright, so we got the block off out. Time to install this. Alright, so what I find is that, unfortunately, the hole doesn't line up. So when you install this, see that screw hole right there? It's just not doing it. And so it looks like I got two options. I can either hollow out the deck to fit this guy, or I can hollow out this to widen it up just a little bit for the deck. So I think I'm going to opt for that. This guy's pretty cheap and easy, and ought to be not that big a deal. So let's try that. So there's a few different ways you could probably do this, but what I've decided to do is I marked this guy with the direction that I need that hole hollowed out. And so I'm just going to chuck up this old drill bit here on the drill press and give it one of these guys and just kind of hollow it out just a little bit. Alright, so there you go. It's a little oblong, and hopefully that'll fit the mower deck now. Alright, so now we're just going to insert the same screw that came with it from the block off plate, and here we go. Alright, so there you go. Quick disconnect for the washdown port installed, and the dummy block off plate removed. We got the quick disconnect connected to the hose. We got the fitting on the deck here that we just installed. Plug it in. Let's crank her up, see how it does. Alright, another successful shop project. Quick disconnect installed here in the mower deck. Works just fine. It definitely didn't fit right out of the package. I'm gonna need a little bit of manipulating to get it onto the deck, but for 12 bucks I'm satisfied. Cheers.